The following contest is an Extreme Rules match. Making his way to the ring, accompanied by Devon Dudley from West Newbury, Massachusetts. Weighing in at 251 pounds.
Oh, look out! He's not going to wait to get things going. Jump-starting the action here.
This isn't very sportsmanlike. Oh, give me a break, Saxton.
Referee signals for the bell, and we are finally underway.
These superstars are seeing red right now, gentlemen. Wow! Sunset flip powerbomb! A powerbomb like that will leave you with bruises and remind you of this moment for days.
Stretching and tearing at all the ligaments in the leg.
Able to slip out of that one. Neckbreaker! Measuring. Oof! Face stop. Oh my goodness. Ah, what a smash. That is just insulting.
Does this style of match favor a more unhinged superstar?
Oh, yeah. You need a twisted imagination to take full advantage of a no disqualification match. That said, sometimes this match brings out a darker side you wouldn't expect in some superstars.
Orton never saw that coming.
Counters on top of counters, and these opponents are at an impasse.
A reversal! He saw that coming.
Oh, my goodness, dribbling the opponent's head like a basketball.
Looks like Cena might not have his head fully in the match at this moment, guys.
This is the reality of this stipulation. He knew the attacks were going to come hard and fast. Looks like he knew what was coming up.
Backbreaker. Cena's getting dominated.
Yeah, Orton unleashing all of his inner malice for Cena. Devastating cranial impact with that move.
And Cena with the wherewithal to counter.
Both competitors showing they've studied the other's playbooks to the T.
With the counter.
Oh my goodness, just punishing their opponent. Goodness gracious. And if the first stomp doesn't send you the message, the follow-up ones definitely will.
And the brunt of all that impact goes right to the head. And Orton now chaining some offense together.
Cena's just trying to weather the storm. Uh-oh. Ooh, point of the elbow counters that.
John Cena with a rough blow there. By the looks of that exchange, Randy may have just found an area in which he needs to improve.
Cena not showing any signs of backing down here. Unloading with that power offense of his. Trying to wrestle free their opponent's arm. Has the arm trapped. And a series of vicious stomps. No respect being shown whatsoever with those stomps.
Ah, jeez.
And Cena's able to evade.
Closed fist connects.
Confident punch. Had the foresight to get out of that one.
Backbreaker.
Oh my goodness.
Ah, what a smash.
That is just insulting. Smashing the head into an unforgiving surface. He'll take things into the ring.
And the manager is searching under the ring. He could only be looking for something nefarious down there.
John Cena feeding off the WWE Universe as he so often has. And he now slides back into the ring. Oh my God! Look at this heel hook. This is how you punish your opponent, and he's enjoying every minute of it. Gonna take a lot of strength to pull this off.
Gets suplexed instead.
Nice running crossbody.
Big cross body.
Measured kick to the vertebrae.
And the battle being brought to the Viper there.
This is a classic Extreme Rules game plan, trying to deal as much damage as possible.
And Randy can't mount any offense.
Cena able to cut Randy off with a barrage of offense.
Oh, right to the kidneys.
Golly.
Cena gets intercepted.
At last, he's keeping that string of offense in check.
Orton hoping to start a rush of his own now. Check out this power. Deadlift gut wrench applied.
Into a gut-wrench suplex.
And late in the game, Cena keeps mounting the offense.
Yeah, Orton has been challenged every step of the way.
What an uppercut.
That'll cost some teeth. Oh my goodness, dribbling the opponent's head like a basketball.
Ooh, that could have done some serious damage.
The Viper about to give Cena a dose of venom.
And avoids taking any damage.
Randy Orton
Hoisting up his opponent
with a fall-away slam.
Just bouncing that head like a basketball. And his head is becoming a bigger target. Stomp after stomp after stomp.
And with that, the Viper injected a dope.
Can that keep Cena down?
Oh, look at this. Just cranking the head. That's gotta hurt. Pivotal pin. Cena might be done here.
Randy Orton wins.
Here is your winner, the